care how much views I get on these videos. Because if I get 1 like, that means I made 1 person happy. And that 1 person, I'll always be happy about. So, yeah. In the comments, you guys can hate on me all you want. I don't care. I won't even moderate it. So, yeah. Anyway, today we are going to be playing... I'm sorry. Because I like to make... And don't make fun of my Roblox avatar, because you're a bacon noob with no Robux. No offense, I used to be a bacon noob. So, yeah, just don't make fun of my avatar because of that. I don't know if this music is copyrighted, so please don't copyright me. Let's play. So let me just get in this car. Doesn't even work. Oh wait, it does. Where's this? Five. Okay, I see it, and I'm gonna drive into it.
The National Weather Service of Alpine Lakes Tornado Emergency 4, Alpine Lakes County. The National Weather Service of Alpine Lakes County has detected a strong and violent tornado moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. If you are indoors, get to the lowest floor of your home and find the most interior room. Stay away from exterior walls and windows. If you are in a car, find a...
Bro, what just happened?
Or find a nearby building. Do not stay in your car or hide under overpasses.
Literally, let's remove tornadoes real quick. That was weird and buggy and glitchy and all. Okay, let's drive this car. Okay, wait, is it coming at me? Hey, I can intercept it. Hold on.
The National Weather Service of Alpine Lakes County has issued a tornado emergency for Alpine Lakes County. The National Weather Service of Alpine Lakes County has detected a strong and violent tornado moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. If you are indoors, get to the lowest floor of your home and find the most interior room. Stay away from exterior walls and windows. If you are in a car, find a right there, or find a nearby building. Do not stay in your car or ride under overpasses.
Oh, I think it's gonna impact my phone. This tells me the wind speed. Could be for nothing. Literally nothing. They don't know if it's good to drive while there's an E5 tornado coming at you. Hey, the winds are at least at 5 miles per hour plus. miles per hour. It's not at 0 miles per hour though. Well, I believe it's not at 0 miles per hour. Drove into it. No, I just totaled my car, that's all. Anyway, on radar it might hit that town. That looks bad though. Is it coming at me? Wait. Holy crap, it's coming! I'm gonna drive into it again. And I mean like just straight up drive into it. Because some people like backing up into F5 tornadoes. Hold on, let me just do what I should have done beforehand. Jump this and willy-nilly it. I hate when just trees from the outside of an F5 tornado get in your way. Oh my god. It might be coming at me. I don't know. No, I'm just gonna remove it. Let's see how wide it is. Okay, it's gonna...
The National Weather Service of Alpine Lakes County has issued a tornado emergency for Alpine Lakes County.
Driving this way.
The National Weather Service of Alpine Lakes County has
Actually,
detected
I'm gonna end off the
violent
video here.
tornado moving
Bye!